Hey guys, it's me, Dog. You're seeing what I'm seeing, so you're seeing the night sky. It's where the fireworks are supposed to be. July 4th, and my fireworks display at Binghamton. A little ways down the river, we had Conklin. I think Conklin finished theirs because I haven't seen any in the last 10 or 12 minutes. Trying to zoom in as much as I can, guys, but I don't want to blur. I don't want a blurry picture either. Unless I'm holding my tripod in my hand with the legs, all three legs closed together. Kind of makes it easier than having to hold the camera in my hand. I think I'll keep it at 5 zoom. Seems to be pretty awesome. This might be the finale, guys. Don't know. I hope not. That may be it, guys. I do not know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. No, I did. See the sky over there? Okay, I'm wrong. Forgive me. I thought that was the finale. Either that or they're blowing off everything they got left. This might be the finale. I can only hope. See all those smoky clouds over there. I think that might be it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Apologize for the shaky videotaping and the in and out of zooming. I was trying to get close-ups without getting too blurry. We're going to hang around here a few more minutes. Okay, just in case we decide to shoot off again. Which never comes up. Which is never going to be, which is never comes as a surprise. But I think pretty much, guys, that's it. There, I zoomed all the way back to 1. You can kind of see the cloudiness of the skies. People around me are leaving now. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the 10 minutes of fireworks you got. I mean, I know I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed filming everything. You know, and I thank my buddy One Bubba Mike for, you know, introducing me to the world of YouTube and video. I mean, sparked an interest. You definitely got a fan on your hands, and I guess I could say, in a way, Mike, you got yourself a student too. Yeah, way down the river there. I think it's Conklin out that way. You can see a small bit of fireworks going. Over here you see the smoke-filled sky and clouds are then right there in front of you. Might be hard to see it too because you got lights. You got street lights behind me. Once you got the smoke-filled skies, all the smoke is heading southeast. We got a little bit of a wind tonight. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and if there's any more fireworks to come, you know, dog's on it. So until we meet again, and until your cameras roll, eyes gone.